There's actually another deck right by the waterfall. 74. Is he 74 on the table? Sitting here, chilling on the deck. Sit up, coming all the way down from there. Fireplace, and that's outside. That looks
अच्छा जी मुबारक हो बस बस सस्ता है सड़क
on a really exciting trip to Muskoka. We've booked a cottage there and we are on our way, you know, super excited for the trip. We've just stopped at an en route rest stop. We're gonna grab some food, snacks, breakfast, and then we're gonna continue on our way. So I can already see the fall colors behind me, so super excited. So I got a spicy chicken sandwich, some nuggets, 2 Delta Minis. Let's see how it all tastes. I think we're gonna eat a lot and fall asleep. Light rain, but the fall colors are very nice. House, and you know, it's an amazing place. Like, I would highly recommend it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the link to this Airbnb in the video. Like, it is a sick, amazing place for family to be here with your significant other. Like, out of this world, I would say. Out of this world. So let's continue exploring the place. Let's check it out. We have lots of fun stuff planned. There's gonna be a barbecue. You're gonna sit on a deck, start up the fireplace, start up the fire pit as well outside. So let's start. So it is actually a few degrees colder we're in the Muskoka municipality, but we are in a town called Rosseau, and basically you'll see the views behind me, you know, are amazing. But it is cold. Like, it's cold. Like, it's 3 degrees, and at night it's gonna get -1. So it's a good time to enjoy the cold if you're a fan of it. But you know, it is what it is, right?
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So as you can see,
guys, so we're celebrating our birthday weekend here. It's a sick place. Look at the waterfall. It is beautiful.
Sun's finally shown up.
Yeah, and it's kind of chilly, but
So let's go downstairs and check it out. Here's a deck. Outside the main deck, there's actually another deck right by the waterfall. So we actually plan to light up a fire here and then just let it sort of burn. But check this out. This is the defining feature. There is your own personal waterfall view, accessible to no one else but us. Can you believe that? This place is truly amazing. Like you can see, there's a waterfall right behind me, and there's a lot going on here. A lot of fun stuff that we intend to do today. We're gonna light a fire right up here. Just sit around in these chairs. We're gonna do a barbecue. Lots and lots of fun stuff, in store. So let's start. So the fall colors are really stellar here. You can see that those fall colors right there. There's a little bit of orange. The cabin itself is like really rustic, so yeah. Get birthday cake for the birthday gal.
Yeah, birthday girl खुद ही जा रही है केक लेने के लिए. मतलब
well, she's picky, so we just need to make sure that she's getting the cake that she wants, then we're gonna cut it, so we're just heading out there. But as you can see, the sun is out, and that means see on. So the sun's out, and as you can see, like all the fall colors are visible, like the green, lime green, orange, red, all of it. Socket. But yeah, we're pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Like there's literally no one else here. And even our cottage.
I feel like it'll be scary at night.
You know what? I'm down for that. Like I wanna do some spooky, fun.
Yeah, you're always into that, eh?
Yeah, but we're gonna get the fire pit going and see, if you can really make a night of it. Oh, I think there's someone's house here. So we are in like downtown Rosseau.
And there's a general store जहाँ से हमें लगता है कि केक मिलेगा, but I don't think so.
No, I think it should be fine. It's from 1874. 1874 में केक होते थे?
I don't think so.
ऐसा भी नहीं बेचारे थे, go horse carriage.
Can we go from here? Oh, that is so cute. And look at that.
Go in this carriage.
Can we go from?
So we're here at general store in Rosseau, and I think we found a cake. Let's look at it. So 1 and 2. So at least there's. But Alina is going to find out if we can actually have something like drizzled on it, like happy birthday, limbs, whatever she wants to call herself today. So we're just sitting here chilling on the deck, just watching the waterfall go by with the fall colors and the sun. Amazing, perfect.
Is it recording? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're chilling. It's kind of chilly, but it's so nice. The sun is out. Here's Minhaj. What's up?
Chilling like a bill in the air.
And mom, dad's making tea inside.
Yeah.
So he's excited to drink tea. Cha ke bagair to kuch nahi hota.
Yeah, we need cha.
Cha.
Gonna get the fireplace going.
Yeah. Cha और ये view आपको और life में क्या चाहिए?
That's it. It's all good. Birthday weekend.
Sick है. And also I'm getting chips.
So we just sneaked out a bit to catch a closer view of the waterfall. And the sun is like just nicely situated here. actually ended up coming all the way down from there just to catch a closer view of the falls. Like, this is like just serene. Look at that. Look at the sun. Just, I don't think we can describe in words like the kind of nature, the kind of beauty. And look at the water just like calming down, gushing down. Expert barbecuer at work. Look at that. And I'll show you the batch that I've already made. Forgot to shoot the video for that. But this is like all premium. So parathas are going in as well. And we got some really good stuff going on. Botia. Do we need chef waiting for boti? Sure. So let's get some botis in there, like interspersed.
Yeah.
See the instructions from that regarding placement of botis.
रख दो थोड़ा सा थोड़ी थोड़ी करके साइड वाइड में ऐसे जल्दी ऊपर भी रख देंगे ना पानी
This is the barbecue I've made. We're gonna eat it with lots of sauces.
You made, acha.
Yeah, I made, bro.
खा भी चुको
ना पूरा तो ना मुझे अब दोनों की बर्थडे भी वो कर रही It's good, yeah, it's good. So this is our fireplace, and that's outside. It looks really spooky. We're all sitting in the dark.
And guys, we're at a cottage, and this man wants to sleep. Like,
I want to wake up in the morning. Yeah, so we just woke up, and we're just, gonna enjoy the morning. The sun is out. And the weather is amazing. It's like light rain. It's like the perfect weather. It's light rain with light sun, and we're just gonna sit on the deck and have some chai and just chill it up before heading out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down from the deck. So we were just chilling here having some chai on the deck. It's just picturesque, really. I don't think there's any other way to describe it. But what I want to do is just go down the steep, hill, and then just get a little bit closer to the waterfall. See if we can catch some better views, okay?
So let's take a look. Made it halfway down. It's pretty easy from here, but you just want to watch your steps because with all the rain, it tends to get really slippery in these parts, and you can see the leaves are there as well. But the fall colors are in full view. So here I am, made it, and now you are getting some really nice views. You can hear the waterfall just making its noise. Like, it has so much force. Really serene. So you'll see the water as I'm making my way is actually coming down from a stream, and it's just sort of going and it's joining this main body of water, and which actually continues, you know, to the right from there, and it just keeps going, and there's a whole like connection of lakes in Muskoka. Like Muskoka is known for like a freshwater lake, and yeah. So I'm gonna see if I can try and get up here, just see if I can go along here, you know, do some exploring. So let's do it. Actually came down through there, stood there, but now I've made it up here. And now I'm sort of standing like on the top area of the waterfall. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just walk along like this stretch and see if I can, you know, just get up there, you know, let's do some exploring. So I'm just gonna continue going here. Just gonna see how far I can go without, you know, going all knee deep in water. So you'll see like I'm now quite far. Like that's the water going down, and I'm just gonna continue to walk along this stretch and, you know, really get up close and personal, with the waterfall. Get to know it a little bit better, eh? So this is as far as I could get, because you see like my foot is really like in near the water. So this is as far as I can get really, but you'll see there's another actually body of water coming down, which actually then brings it further down and pushes the water along with that natural pressure. So it's really like this is nature's, you know, really beauty. That, you know, all the water is just being pushed down. You can hear the waterfall. Like when I was sleeping at night, like I could hear the water just gushing. It was really a beautiful sound, and like it's a great spot. Really, it has everything. So this is as far as I can go, really. So I'll document my journey. So I came down the hill from there, jumped up to this rock, came along here, and now I'm here, right? But the issue is after this, it's all water. So this is as far as I can go. Like that's the farthest point that I can see now. There's no trail really that can take you down directly. I think it's gonna be a little bit risky. The host actually advised me not to, you know, try anything funny with the trails. These are not proper maintained trails. So this is as far as I can go. But not a bad view. So there's a drop from here, right? The water's coming down really from here, and then it's sort of like there's two falls here. There's one fall from there, and then there's one fall from here as well. So it splits into two, as you can see, and then it rejoins here, and then it continues to that drop that's in front of our cottage. So you'll see it again splits into two, right and left, two falls. So that's so like how all of this was planned, you know, just that nature, you know, the splits and everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just trek along here on the side and go back. Made it back. Thankfully, Alina was a little bit worried there at the top. She was actually looking for me. So I'm gonna go back up. Sun is coming out. Let's see if we can get to the other side there. You think we can? Alina's saying nah, but I see a trail coming down. There's no direct route from here, but let's take a look. Let's see if we can get up there. So as you can see, the fall colors here in full swing. So I'm trying to create a pathway to see if I can get down there from to the other side. The only issue is that it's gotten really wet and damp. So as you can see, the issue is that there's a puddle of water there, so I don't know how many more puddles are in these. I don't really want to mess up.
The issue is that somebody's amanat.
So
So basically, what you can see, like the fall colors are really nice with the thing. So I think I'm gonna try not to take any risks, you know, before heading out. So we're just gonna chill here and, you know, just enjoy.
I think he genuinely.
No, basically, as you can see, the red chairs, you know, is really shining in the sun.
Where are we going next?
We are actually, oh yeah, so actually we're supposed to do a lot of exploring today of the Muskoka, you know, area. So today, actually, after we check out, we're gonna actually hit up a couple of spots, which I will show you soon.
Okay, so what's up?
Anyway,
What do you want to say?
We're gonna head out of the cottage. You know, really amazing stay.
Literally nobody. Minaj. Okay, guys, so we're checking out.
So we're checking out basically, and you can see the waterfall. Like this was, I think, the defining feature of this cottage. Like,
Yes, sir.
you can hear this waterfall all night, and it's like
It's so nice.
And you get the best part is from all the rooms we had the same view. I was able to see the sunrise from my bed, so I was like.
Yeah, because he was lazy.
So basically, like,
Guys, by the way, I woke up at 6 and I caught the sunrise, so it was it was pretty sick.
So basically, like, you know, we're gonna head out. We're gonna try to find some more spots, but you know, we're gonna say goodbye to the cottage and like
Goodbye to the people that love me. Goodbye.
you can see the sun is out a little bit and the cottage looks really nice. So peace out, cottage.
Peace out, cottage. Bye.
This is basically where the property starts. 141 East and West Hydro. And that's the driveway that we took down. Actually put a solar panel, and the best part about this property is that it's all powered by clean energy. So they put a solar panel here right outside with the whole hydro setup, and they generate their own energy. Like, that's like independence, right? Clean energy, sustainability, just like, you know, they're not generating any carbon emissions. Really, from a sustainability standpoint, it's okay. Have a Coca-Cola, really cute. So we've hit our first point on the way back, and it's called the Rosseau Waterfront Park. It's a massive chair here on which I am gonna be sitting.
Look like the biggest chair in the world.
Chalo. Oh. I'm gonna go sit on this chair, so let's check it out. It's certainly comfortable. Let's see if I can go all the way back. Oh, oh, dude. So we are here at Lake Rosseau. And Elena is singing. Go all the way to the edge.
I'm scared, Vinod.
Nah, this dog is sturdy.
Vinod, what if it falls?
No, it's fine. We're gonna be good. We're gonna get all the way to the end. Oh, this one is moving around a bit. Okay, hold on. We have to we have to evaluate this.
Oh my god, dude. I think I'm gonna fall. Guys. अच्छा जी मुबारक हो बस सस्ता है SRK. Bruh. You ain't in a Bollywood movie. Come back. Get your ass back. हाँ बस सस्ता है SRK. दुनिया भला
Spicy chicken sandwich.
Wow.
Let's see how it is. So good. It's really succulent.
proper like Chick-fil-A style.
Yeah, you रखने वाला